Welcome to this guide on deploying a device control policy using Endpoint Central. Let's dive in. To begin, log in to the Endpoint Central console. From the main menu, navigate to Device Control. Next, go to the Policies section and click Deploy Policy. Click Associate Policy and select the target computer group, ensuring it matches the OS platform. Then, move the desired policy from the Available Policies section to Selected Policies. If certain user groups need to be excluded from the policy within the selected computer group, use the Exclude User Group option to specify the groups you want to omit. Click Deploy to apply the policy during the next refresh cycle, which occurs every 90 minutes. Alternatively, use the Deploy Immediately option to apply it instantly to up to 200 computers. Click on the policy to check the deployment status. Once deployed successfully, the policy configurations will be applied to the managed computers. Thank you for watching.